Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a bullet list in Google Docs. So it's really easy. Open up your Google Docs document and you're going to place your cursor where you want the bullet list. So say if it's there for me, I'm going to click on the toolbar where it says bulleted list. So you can just click straight on there, or you can click the down arrow which shows you the bulleted list menu. So you have different options for how you want your bullet list to look. So I'm just going to click on the normal bullet list and it will start creating me a little bullet list section here. So I can add things into my bullet list, whatever I'm going to write, things like that, and it will have the little bullet next to it. If you want to turn text into a bullet list, so say I want to make this into a bullet list, I can highlight it with my cursor and then click on the bulleted list tool, and that will turn it into a bullet list. If you want to undo this, just click back. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.